Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me?
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful blue botryoidals in there. I'm not sure how we're going to cut this one. I'd love to be able to just cut it straight across and see if we got any of that patterning from the agate running through. That's going to be a cool one. And this is the beautiful blue botryoidal, and I've got it kind of lined up where we're just going to be able to cut straight across the face and get a clean cut to see what's behind there. So I'm excited. Let's cut. Got some good banding in there, and I had no idea how this is going to turn out, but way cool. Those colors are just amazing with that blue agate in there as well. There's my sunlight. Those are awesome. Can't wait to see how the next ones turn out. And this big botryoidal beauty. Look at that burgundy maroon. Tons of blue poking through. Sound like Dr. Seuss, don't I? Look at that turquoise coloring. Yeah, these are gonna be gorgeous. Now for the big botryoidal one, I think I'm just gonna cut a face off. I wanna see what this looks like up underneath before I decide how else I wanna cut it. Might wanna try and get a slab too before I actually split this thing in half. All right, let's see after we cut this face off how we look. Oh, yeah. Wow. Okay, that's gorgeous. I might have to try to get a slab of that. That's just way too pretty. All right, so let's check out our slab from our Cold Mountain Thunderegg. Oh my goodness, just love this stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at this big old botryoidal beauty. Cold Mountain Thunderegg end piece. Just stupid beautiful. Colors are just magnificent. That's just the end piece. And I got slab number one. Look how translucent that is. So pretty. Man, just can't get over how gorgeous this stuff is. Slab number two. See how translucent that agate is in there? It's got some beautiful banding as well. Let's see if I can get a little zoom in on that. There we go. That banding up in that agate. Really cool looking. That brecciate just makes such cool patterns. Brecciate is, anybody who doesn't know, it's when rocks have broken up, literally shattered into a bunch of different pieces, and then reformed together into one rock again. And they can make some really cool patterns. So yeah, so that's slab number two. And then we've got our main specimen piece, which I cut a little base on. And you see just how clear that pocket of chalcedony is in there. And that's just a really, really clear pocket. And it's gonna polish up absolutely beautifully. And I cut a base on it. So it'll end up just sitting just like that. We got some of the bigger ones here, these big botryoidals. We've got the big spheres in here. You see that brecciate pattern already. See the colors in there. We're gonna put this beauty in next. I think we're just gonna come straight down the side here because I really like this pocket and all the colors on this side. So let's get it loaded up. You wanna see this? Just cut a Cold Mountain agate or Cold Mountain Thunderegg. So here we go. Get all the vapor out of here.
Oh my goodness.
you guys ready for this? Oh my goodness. Pow! Wow, how gorgeous. And these colors are just ridiculous. What a phenomenal rock. So amazing. Absolutely love these things. I can't get over it. I can't wait to see how the next ones come out. There's my sun. There's the color. Look at that thing. That is just absolutely stunning. Oh, that's ridiculous. All right, let's go cut some more. It's one of the big ones. All these big botryoidals all on the outside of it. And again, we've got great colors showing through. Amazing blues in there. Just so pretty on the colors. Okay, last cut of the day. I cut the base off this cold mountain Thunderegg, and I've already seen the bottom, and it's amazing. So now we're gonna split it right down the middle here across the top. So it took me a while to get this situated, but we're ready for our last cut. Okay, time to see if this last cold mountain Thunderegg came out as awesome as it does in my dreams. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Wow. All right, I'm getting the other half out. We're taking this out in the sunlight. Wow. I kind of sound like Christopher Walken there, didn't I? I got a fever in the yellow prescription. It's more cold mountain Thunderegg. Okay, our last cold mountain. I knew this was gonna be good just from the base that I cut, right? So that's the base. I mean, already. Just spectacular. Phenomenal colors. Already. And there's the base off the main rock. Just wild, amazing colors. But, oh my goodness. Wow. Look at the colors there. I mean, just wow. The depth in that chalcedony, the blues, the reds and oranges, all the breccia, and just a perfect center cut. Those should stand up just right on the base. Yes. I'm gonna have to polish these up really soon.